I have a blueprint here that I drew out the other day. Today I'm going to fix the trailer. I'm not going to make this piece anymore. My employer wanted it to be just a piece of flat bar bent into a 90, which it's not even a 90. It's a 45, I believe. That's over there, or some weird angle, but it's not a 90. Anyway, he wanted just a piece with holes cut in it, and I was like, I don't want to do that and do bad work and just it look all sloppy and gross. This is my name here that I'm putting on the line. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get the piece that's already on it. I was looking at it. I think I can just repair it, get it back in place, beat it in place, put some welds on it, and keep it looking good. And the original part, he won't have to spend money on materials. He won't have to spend money on extra time. It'll all just work out good. I won't have to do this. This was good practice, though. It's always good practice to draw blueprints and read blueprints. And then I'm also going to fix a piece. I don't remember if I've showed you all yet or not, but where the mud flap hangs, I got to fix that part too. So I'm going to get that done today.
A new Caldera hot tub from Spa Country.
He's clearing the way for me to get my truck in there so I can get the welder going and weld that sucker up.
Local Caldera dealer serving the entire.
My children be like, what did you do when you were 20 years old? Be like, I took a job in Colorado that I regretted every day. But I make good money. I crawl down there, very small tolerance to get myself into, and then sliding right there with my welding hood, get it welded on, right here, and then underneath this, like right there, to get that welded in. Let me put this back on. We're gonna get it looking like that again, and should be smooth sailing. I was getting shocked every 5 seconds welding down there because I was soaking wet. It was just shock after shock. But sometimes you gotta get in tight positions, tight spots, and uncomfortable situations too when you're welding. Next, I'm going to get this back in place. Weld it right up there and right down there. Maybe do some welding on the back. Might get this bent in and tack it just for the heck of it. And then this project right here will be done. We're gonna jack it up right there and then push on it with the tooth that way. You have about a foot. Stop! Stop it! my mobile operation. Got a lot going on right now. Let me turn up the brightness for y'all. It's snowing. It's dark. But we got it put in. And I'm gonna weld this right here. I'm gonna weld it along here. I'm gonna weld it in there. Gotta fill a gap. And I gotta weld it along here. So I'm gonna get that done. Alright, I got it up. As you can see, it looks pretty good. That weld is in. The one down there is in. This job is complete. And now I just pack up everything. And it's only probably like 9 o'clock or something like that right now, maybe 10. So I still have a couple more hours of work. And then I get to go home. I hope this video inspired some of y'all to get out and do some repair jobs.